Hey, John with Ocean Breezes here in Myrtle Beach this morning, checking out a house for some clients. Just wanted to show you something that is a minor item that we come across quite frequently. It's really a relatively cheap repair and fix, but both can be a safety item. Could lead to a fire in the home or deadly shock to occupants, children, and whatnot. This particular receptacle here, we test every one to make sure they're wired correctly, and as you can see, that one's showing that it is. However, you see all this movement, the whole box is not attached to the wall correctly, and that receptacle is broken out. So those are some of the types of things that we find. Again, they don't seem very large on the scale of an entire home. We're looking for all the major items, big ticket items that could be quite costly to you, the air conditioning, roof, those kinds of things. But we look at everything, every component of the home. There's thousands of small components that as a buyer you want to be informed about so that you know what you're looking at. Again, if you're needing an inspection in the Grand Strand, Horry, Georgetown counties, give us a shout, 843-251-4868. Again, John, Ocean Breezes Home Inspections. Have a great day.